The gardening season has begun. Please join me at the greenhouse. Let's start the peas for early harvest. Good morning. It's still cold here, but we can already plant peas. Look, this is the variety that we're planting. Perhaps the question is, when is the best time to plant? In fact, that's the search that I did online, and this is the time. It's week 1, or around late February to March. This is the time when we plant this indoors. Okay, let me just tell the stories while I plant them. Wait, before we do that, why am I starting them indoors? Because it's easier to germinate them indoors for the higher temperature, although they germinate outside, but it's quicker inside. Another is, if they were planted outside, once they sprout, birds will come and feast on them. So I'm using this very effective, very efficient. They're called, what are they called? They are called root trainer. Look, these are cartridges, easy to open. Where once we transplant them, if we just open them like this, and look, and we pick up the sibling and plant. Very easy and convenient even. Come back for the transplanting to see that happening. Let's use this cartridges for planting. Look, I'm equipped, almost industrial. You know, while doing this, I have this story to tell. This cartridge, I bought it in the UK via Amazon. It's flimsy, look, thin plastic. It's flimsy, but it's strong. I've been using it for 5 years now. Still good. Okay, just I'm making holes, punching holes for the seeds later. Now, when I was still a young gardener, this was my very first mistake. In fact, foolproof mistake. I look at the resources say when to plant sweet peas. It says late in autumn. So that's what I did. I planted them early and then planted them in spring, even as early as January. It was still cold. They did not die. They survived the cold, but they even yellowed, but they did not die. They just stopped growing. So the same way, no matter how early you plant this, they won't die. The only thing we need to do is to protect them from the birds. That's the reason why I'm planting them indoors, or first in the greenhouse. And once they're this high, that's the time I'm going to plant them outside. I am a person who has very short attention span. I should have completed punching holes here and then drop the seeds. I lost my concentration. So this is the result. It will not matter. It will not matter. Ideally, 3 seeds per cartridge. Now, we compress the soil. You can also do it 2 at a time to be more systematic and easier to watch. I hope you're still watching until now. Thank you. And we cover it with more soil. Okay. Now, it's time to water it. But the best way of watering it is soaking it in a water container like this, like how I did it. I soak this in water. So watering it essentially from the bottom. Look. The soil absorbs the water up like a wick and completely soaks the soil. Like this. Watering it from the top is not very recommended because it displaces the seeds. It will displace them. Okay, this is almost complete. Let's do the same here. I'll soak this complete cartridge. Look at the bottom. Put it here. Okay. Around 30 minutes and it will be soaked. Just like here. I did earlier. After that, let's pretend it's been soaked. Just to demonstrate, I'll place it here. Just to demonstrate. And cover it with this. There. That. Our cartridge, effective way of germinating seeds early with a protection, double protection because it's all even protected by the greenhouse, and it also protects it from the sprouts eventually will be protected from the birds. And at this side or inside, this also protects them from the mouse. So complete protection. Okay, so that's it. I'll return it for now in the basin for soaking. Okay, peas. So that's how to soak. The question when to soak peas, it doesn't matter as long as they're well protected. It doesn't matter as long as. But take note, of course, this is an early spring crop or early summer crop. So around this time, just follow what's in the label, but you will never go wrong. Just protect your seeds. Thank you. See you next time. I hope to see you during the harvest and cooking of these peas.